Antonio, Iris Joy Estrada, Barangay San Isidro, with the Barangay Captain Honorable Christian Brian Rodriguez, the SK Chairperson Honorable Mark John Gavica, and the Reina from San Isidro, Eliza May Hayad. Barangay San Vicente, with the Barangay Captain Honorable Angelito Sikat, the SK Chairperson Honorable Peter Ian Nicdao, and the Reina from San Vicente, Abigail Benko. Barangay Santa Barbara, with the Barangay Captain Honorable Elma David, the SK Chairperson Honorable Ira Gomez, the Acting SK Chairperson, and the Reina from Santa Barbara, Jenna Ann de Mesa. Barangay Santa Ines, with the Barangay Captain Honorable Ray Nicdao, the SK Chairperson Honorable Prince Jordan Calaquian, and the Reina from Santa Ines, Paula Krisha Salazar. Barangay Talba, headed by the Barangay Captain Honorable Michelle Turla, the SK Chairperson Honorable Arsley Nate Sampag, and the Reina from Talba, Kyla May Regala. Barangay Tinajero, with the Barangay Captain Honorable J. Dantes, the SK Chairperson Honorable Lance Timothy Regala, and our Reina hailing from Tinajero, Angel Ann Dulay. Once again, thank you very much to all of the leaders of each barangay, consisting in the municipality of Bacolor. With your support and commitment, this event was made possible. Once again, nakalpong salamat. In the forge of our history, beauty is tempered with strength. In Bacolor, heritage is not a fragile relic, but a legacy hammered into perfection by time and the elements. Like the strike of Smith's hammer against glowing metal, the spirit of the Bacoloreña is born of fire and refined by resilience. This is more than a search for a title. It is the quest for a guardian of our sacred flame. before the stage belongs to those who seek its honor. Witness the transformation of into majesty, the birth of the masterpiece that will soon crown our new queen, the Regalia Herencia. The Regalia Herencia crown. Aguman Cuerdas of Pampanga High School is a rondalia string ensemble that proudly showcases the rich musical heritage of Pampanga. Rooted in Kapampangan culture, the ensemble brings traditional Filipino music to life through the harmonious sounds of bandurria, loud octavina, guitar, and bass. Through discipline, artistry, and cultural pride, Aguman Cuerdas continues to inspire audiences while preserving and celebrating the timeless tradition of the Filipino rondalia. Aguman Cuerdas, Kapampangan.
bilang mo rin yung kantado.
Pasubayo, palakpakan tala po, the Aguman Cuerdas Kapampangan. Sinukuan Kapampangan Performing Arts, founded on October 31, 1992, celebrates and preserves Kapampangan culture through research-based performances. Created by Peter A. De Vera, the group works to prevent the fading of Kapampangan identity by mentoring young artists and fostering pride in their heritage. The group has represented the Philippines at international events, including the International Youth Fellowship World Camp in South Korea and the Trails of Civilization and Performance in Cambodia. They have also participated in global arts festivals in countries like Hong Kong, Japan, and the USA. Additionally, Sinukuan Kapampangan established the Ballet Balayan, a center to nurture talented but underprivileged young artists. By strengthening partnerships with schools, government, and NGOs, the group aims to revive and globally showcase Kapampangan culture. One of Pampanga's prides, the Sinukuan Kapampangan Performing Arts.
Nag-aabang ng masasakyan patungo kung saan di ko malaman. Sa aking piling sinasakyan mayroong natanaw na mama. Sa dinami-raming nagdaraan, ikaw pa ang nakita. Ikaw pa ang nakita. Sa talaga. Para, mama, dito na lang.
gising pa, naghihintay, di maidli at nagbibilang ng dala sa karamihan ito'y mayroong isang natatangi at sa tuwing tatanawi mukha mong nasa sa isip. Ewan ko ba bakit ka nagpakita pa sa panaginip? Sana'y mamasdan ka sa tuwina kahit na di na gumising pa. Huwag lang malayo sa piling mo, iniibig kahit ika'y panaginip
Namang awit ang hangin pumupunta, sumisipol, bubulong-bulong sa aking umaatras, umahabol.
At kung sasabayan ng tinig, di mo naman makanta ito. Siguro nga'y ibang ang himig, itong awitin sa ulo ko.
May ulang taglay ang hangin, sumisigaw, pumupulo. Kasi ako ang urap ng bigli, sumasayaw, pumupulo.
Ngunit kung sasabayan ng puso, di mo mahuli ang tono. Siguro nga'y ganito kung bibig mo pa. Ikot sumisiko, ang dami di mapalagay.
Lumilipad ang puso ko sa awit na aking taglay.
Ikot sumisiko, ang dami di mapalagay.
Lumilipad ang puso ko sa awit na aking taglay.
Ikot sumisiko, ang dami di mapalagay. Ikot sumisiko, ang dami di mapalagay.
Once again, palakpakan talapod the Sinukwan Kapampangan Performing Arts. In just a moment, our Rainas will take this stage, breathing life into Bacolor's culture, identity, and creativity through the artistry of their local costumes. Each ensemble is a testament to our heritage and will be evaluated based on the following criteria: craftsmanship and creativity, 40%. Functionality and wearability, 30%. Innovation and cultural significance, 20%. Overall impression, 10%, for a total of 100%. At this point, let us now meet our board of judges. Our first judge is a TV host of ABS-CBN Pampanga's Vida Kapampangan and was one of the finalists of Project Runway Philippines Season 2. He is also an entrepreneur and fashion designer, known for his creativity and passion for style and innovation. Friends, judge number 1, Mr. Richie Bondog. Next, we have an interior design graduate from the University of the Assumption and the former president of the UA Performing Arts Dance Troupe. A celebrated fashion designer, he has created national costumes for Binibining Pilipinas 2017 and Miss Universe Philippines 2021 and designed for international pageants including Mr. Model International and Miss Intercontinental USA. He has also worked with top Filipino artists on Asap Natin To and Singaling and contributed to TV series like Kadenang Ginto and Love Thy Woman. A proud member of the Fashion Designers Association of the Philippines, Mr. Ruel Panlilio. And folks, completing our panel of judges tonight is the first recipient of the Hiyas Award from the Cultural Center of the Philippines and a kaisa sa sining in Luzon grantee. He currently serves as an executive council member of the National Commission for Culture and the Arts. Balen Bacolor, please help me welcome the artistic director of Sinokwan Kapampangan and the Ballet Balayan Museum for the Poor, Mr. Peter De Vera. Dakal pong salamat king pamagtagon king benging ngaini. Let us not keep everyone waiting. Be amazed as our 20 Reinas showcase the essence of our traditions and culture, reimagined through the lens of passion and innovation. Let the colors of our heritage unfold. The local costume competition starts right now. Reina Banas. Gintong Ani. Ing mais iyang magsilbing yaman at gintong kabiyayan daring tao balas. Menimuna bilang beka masanting apupul ning mais, king labuat Kapampangan. Ing mais si simbolo yang biye, kanawan at biyayang binye ng apong San Agustin, karing memalen. Ding tao pakulod, ang tila mo namang kawayan na nanumang unus at trahedya ing karelang harapan, ela pa'y tinag at pa'y sira. Gintong ani, ginto ning biye. Designer, Angel Castro. Reina Kabalansyan. Kapangan, Kabalansan, a tribute in Bacolor's cultural pride. This costume highlights the rich culinary heritage of Barangay Kabalansan. Known for its heirloom delicacies such as mamon tostado, puto seco, suman, and tamales. More than a representation, this masterpiece serves as a reminder that tradition and modernization could go hand in hand. Blending the wisdom of the past and the innovation of the present. Designer, Kevin Kayanan. Reina Kabambangan. La Naval de Bacolor. La Naval de Bacolor is a significant Pampanga festival honoring Our Lady of the Most Holy Rosary, commemorating Kapampangan involvement in the 1646 naval victories against the Dutch, with devotion rooted in the famous La Naval de Manila, but adapted locally with unique Kapampangan traditions, featuring grand processions of the revered image, especially notable for its resilience through natural disasters like the Mount Pinatubo eruption. It specifically honors the crucial participation of Kapampangan soldiers in the battles against the Dutch invaders. Fiesta, celebrated annually on the third Sunday of November. Designer, Darwin Lianco Reyes. Reina Kabetikan. Suman. In Barangay Kabetikan, the suman is more than a delicacy. It is a vessel of communal identity. Born from the patient cultivation of rice and wrapped in tradition, it symbolizes the Kapampangan values of patience, shared joy, and generational continuity. To each suman is to taste the history of a people who believe that no one should ever eat alone. Designer, Darwin Lianco Reyes. Reina Kalibutbut. Indiglo. Indiglo is a tribute to the industrial brilliance of a barangay known for world-class bag manufacturing. By blending the words industry and glow, the costume celebrates the precision of local artisans whose quiet brilliance transforms raw materials into global experts. It serves as a symbol of community resilience, proving that local craftsmanship can shine on the international stage. Designer, Shania Mangin. Reina Concepcion. Reina ng Balut. Inspired by the iconic balut industry, this attire is a testament to the resiliency and ingenuity of Barangay Concepcion. Through the use of rattan and wood, the costume mirrors the strength and faith of a community that rose from the ashes of Mount Pinatubo. It celebrates the working class fuel of the balut as a symbol of Filipino bravery and the warmth of a people who choose to smile despite the greatest of trials. Designer, Kevin Kayanan. Reina Dolores. Metamorphosis, This butterfly-inspired ensemble chronicles the transformation of a once overlooked community into a thriving hub of progress. The costume transitions from dark textured foundations representing early struggles to vibrant, expansive wings that symbolize modern milestone. A bridge of connection, a school of wisdom, and a youth center of service. It is a celebration of a barangay that has taken flight through education, unity, and visionary leadership. Designer Jonard Mabeza. Reina Duan. Gracia, our heritage, our pride. This masterpiece is a living drama that captures the sacred intersection of faith, labor, and nature. It celebrates the nation's lifeblood, from the shimmering rice fields and the guiding silhouette of the church to the loyal carabao and the vibrant people. It is a dazzling spectacle of Filipino ingenuity, weaving together the physical harvest of the land with the spiritual resilience of a community. Designer Angel Castro. Reina Makabakle. Reina Makabakle. Yaya ning ganun. Inggayak ning Reina Makabakle. Mamyeyang buge at kapasalamatan king biyayang binye ning ganun. Ing Makabakle, may kilalaya ka ring asan na metong ka ring manimunang kabiyayan na ring memalin. Ing materialis na ginamit king gayakay ni menibatan laking biyayang binye ning danum. Biyaya ning danum, biyaya ning biye. Designer Angel Castro. Reina Magliman. Aling Magliman, Diwa ning Lansangan. This ensemble honors the quiet heroines of Barangay Magliman, the women who turn simple ingredients into fulfilled dreams. Moving past grand artifice, the costume embraces a realistic, lived-in Filipinina to celebrate the street sellers who balance trays of suman and bamon before the sun even rises. It is a tribute to the sweat, sacrifice, and quiet brilliance of the Kapampangan woman. Designer, Jamer Louis Ferrer. Reina Maliwalu. Lilim Ning Ani. It is a poetic tribute to Barangay Maliwalu, where the harvest is more than just food. It is a shelter and a promise, adorned with baskets of rice, corn, and sugar cane. The costume celebrates the sacred bond between the farmer and the earth. It honors the shade of abundance, proving that when the community works the land, they create a future where everyone is protected and nourished. Designer, James Carlo Garcia. Reina Parulog. Alab ning Gintong Mestiza. This majestic traje de mestiza is a crimson and gold tribute to the opulence of Bacoloreña identity. Combining the structural grace of the panuelo with the artisanal Parulog craftsmanship, the gown serves as a royal canvas for the community's fame. The centerpiece, revealing the image of San Vicente, elevates the garment from a fashion statement to a sacred vessel of barangay pride and Baroque elegance. Designer, Darwin Lianco Reyes. Reina Potrero. Potru. This ensemble is a tribute to the horse, a symbol of enduring power and silent loyalty. Clad in a mane of midnight black and adorned with shimmering prayers of beads and crystals, the costume represents the horse as a bridge between the past and the future. It honors the animal that carried the warriors, the farmers, and the dreamers of Bacolor. A legend reborn that gallops toward the promise of freedom. Designer, Angel Castro. Reina San Antonio. PAMANA ning Crisod. This costume is a poetic homage to the father of Kapampangan literature, Crisostomo Soto. It serves as a living manuscript where the fabrics mimic the rhythm of a zarzuela and the embroidery echoes the ink of a quill. In shades of gold and earth, the attire celebrates the power of the written word and Crisod's enduring legacy as the guardian of the Kapampangan spirit. Designer, Ryan Manansala. Reina San Isidro. The Hortelano. The Golden Harvest is a tribute to the agricultural backbone of Barangay San Isidro. It honors a legacy that dates back to the Spanish era, when these fields were the pantry of the region. Most importantly, it celebrates the farmers who, after the 1991 eruption of Mount Pinatubo, painstakingly restored the earth, proving that through sustainable tradition and hard labor, life will always find a way to bloom again. Designer Darwin Lianco Reyes. Reina San Vicente. Vicencia De Bacolor. Ing-imisa ngayon metong iyang parangal at pagkilala ka rin kay katamong mga sipag na ortelano ng Balen Bacolod. Salamin ning betagan at mayaman na agrikultura na rin bawat metong. Ing-imala na ini, simbolo nening tsaga at sipag na rin gamat na nung lukarin dumalag pang kasakitan bayo may akwa ing manyaman na gapas ning pale. Madulok ka man kay ngaslag ning aldo, bibabad ka man king masikanokan. Ala pamuring tumbas king kanibatan king sikap, sipag at syaga na ring ortelano. Designer Jed Pineda. Reina Santa Barbara. Api ning Kasalpantayanan, Santa Barbara ning Bacolor. Forged in fire and anchored in faith, this costume honors Santa Barbara, the patroness of Bacolor, Pampanga. Clad in gold and crimson, it reflects the town's survival through the hard devastation of Mount Pinatubo, when faith became its greatest refuge. Crosses and flame motifs symbolize Bacolor's enduring Catholic heritage and unbreakable spirit. Purified by fire, protected by Santa Barbara, Bacolor stands eternal. Designer Ivan Bashoy Salazar. Reina Santa Ines. Huli ning Pasko. Inspired by the iconic lanterns of Bacolor, Pampanga, this costume is more than a display of artistry. It is a living testament to a town's resilience and unwavering faith. Every line and line in this ensemble echoes the traditional parole, symbolizing a heritage that refused to be extinguished even when the town was buried by disaster. And as Reina Santa Ines moves, she becomes a walking beacon of hope, carrying the silent stories of survival and the enduring creativity of Kapampangan people. And as we celebrate the 458th founding anniversary of Villa de Bacolor, this attire honors the past, celebrates the present, and illuminates the future where the light of Bacolor continues to shine for generations to come. Designer Santino Rivera. Reina Talba. Libad ing kasalisayan ning pagoda king Barrio Talba. Barangay Talba is a sanctuary of history named after the Talaba that once flourished in its deep, vital waters. as the historic resting place of the revered image of Apong Inggo. The barangay birthed the tradition of Talibad, where the river served as a sacred pathway for merchants and devotees alike. Through the 1991 eruption, buried these waters, the spirit of the people remains as deep and enduring as the river that once defined them. Designer James Carlo Garcia. Reina De Bacolor. Bulwak ng Kasaganan. This costume is a vibrant map of Pinajero's economic history. From the banga or pottery that gave the barangay its name to the pioneering Lipa roof and the famous Sukang Sasa, it celebrates a community of masters and pioneers. It is an homage to PAMANA or fishing and the abundance of the waters, proving that while the style is classic, the legacy is legendary. Designer Ryan Manansala. Bacolor. There you have it, our 20 Reinas in their local costume. Bacolor, our 20 Reinas in their local costume. What we have witnessed tonight is a powerful display of culture and tradition, proudly brought to life through the creativity of our Kapampangan designers and the passion of our Reinas. Balen Bacolod, palakpakan tala po din kaya katamong designers and Reinas. At this point, folks, we would like to give due recognition to our judges for generously sharing their time and expertise in evaluating the local costumes of our Reinas. May we request again the presence of our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Eduardo D. Mandado, and our Vice Mayor, Honorable Ron Irvin Dunca, to award the Certificate of Appreciation to our judges. The Certificate of Appreciation is hereby awarded to our first judge, Mr. Richie Bondon. Let's give our judge a round of applause. To award our judges, on stage we have our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Eduardo D. Mandado, our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Ron Irvin Dunca, our SB members, Honorable Angelina Angeles, Honorable June Edward Datu, Honorable Joe Derek Hizon, Honorable Efren Blanco, Honorable Carlito Laksa, Honorable Renz Louis Canlas, Honorable Isa May Cunanan, Honorable Emily Batak Valerio. The next Certificate of Appreciation is hereby awarded to our second judge, Mr. Ruel Panlilio. And the last Certificate of Appreciation is hereby awarded to our third and last judge, Mr. Peter De Vera. Balen Bacolod Pasibayo, palakpakan tala po din kay katamong panel of the Board of Judges kay katamong local costume competition. There you have it, folks. Pasibayo po takalpong salamat na rin kaya katamong judges for sharing your time and your expertise with us this evening. At this point, we'd like to acknowledge and thank our Reina De Bacolor Executive Committee. The chairman of our Executive Committee for Reina De Bacolor 2026, our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Eduardo D. Mandatu. Our Vice Chairman, Honorable Von Irvin Dunca, the Municipal Vice Mayor. And our Reina De Bacolor Executive Committee members, our Municipal Administrator, Ms. Denita Gonzalez, the Municipal Tourism Officer and the Peso Manager, Mr. Voltaire San Pedro, the SB Chairman Committee on Tourism and Culture, Honorable Renz Louis Canlas, the Executive Assistant, Mr. Sancho De Jesus, and completing our Executive Committee, the Private Secretary and the Community Affairs Officer, Mr. Jason Edward Datu. This time, would like to give and acknowledge our department heads. Our Municipal Administrator, Ms. Denita Gonzalez. Our Municipal Accountant, Ms. Edna Son. The Municipal Engineer of Bacolor, Engineer Marieta Rodriguez. Our Municipal Budget Officer, Mr. Renato Lee Jr. Our Municipal Treasurer, Mr. Gerald Paul Humang. Our MSWDO, Ms. Veronica Imperial. MPDO, Mr. Christian Red Mejia. MDRRMO, Mr. Joel Samia. Our Municipal Assessor, Ms. Dalina Pineda. The OIC Municipal Health Officer, Dr. Esperanza Hernandez. The Municipal Agriculturist, Ms. Janet Wong. From Menro, Ms. Fatima Tuya. Our Peso and the Municipal Tourism Officer, Mr. Voltaire San Pedro. Our SB Secretary, Ms. Vicenta Pineda. HRMO, Ms. Belle Kathleen Sawal. With our Chief of Police, PMAJ Jesse James Domingo. Our Private Secretary, Mr. Justin Edward Datu. Our Municipal Fire Marshal, Jovel Hernandez. MLGOO, Mr. Mark Kevin Salonga. And our Executive Assistant, Mr. Sancho De Jesus. We would like to thank the following for making this event possible. Sinuquan Event Creatives, the official events team of Reina De Bacolor 2026. Jojo Bragayes, the official footwear of our Reinas. Nuan Farm and Resort, the official preliminaries venue. Galang Music Production, swimsuit audio and production partner. Hiraya Creatives, the official digital media and branding partner. MK Pro Event Solution, the official lights and sounds provider. Jamer Louis Couturier, official wardrobe partner. CLTV36, the official media partner. Studio 47, the official studio partner. Hashtag Lights and Sounds Rental, the official lights and sounds provider. Dakal pong salamat to all of our pageant partners and sponsors. The celebration of culture continues as we proudly present the winners of the local costume competition. Our best in local costume second runner-up is Reina Potrero. To award the best in local costume, second runner-up are Mr. Richie Bondog, our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Eduardo Di Mandato, and the Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Ron Irvin Dunca. Together with our SB members, Honorable Angelina Angeles, Honorable Jude Edward Datu, Honorable Joe Derek Hizon, Honorable Efren Blanco, Honorable Carlito Laksa, Honorable Renz Louis Canlas, Honorable Isa May Cunanan, and Honorable Emily Batak Valerio, together with our reigning Reina De Bacolor 2025, Irish Chenille Manalo. Once again, our second runner-up, best in local costume, is Reina Potrero. Reina Potrero is Rian Bianca Kiambao. Let us now award the best in local costume first runner-up. And our best in local costume first runner-up is Reina Santa Ines Paula Krisha Salazar. It's now time to crown this year's Reina Best in Local Costume Grand Winner. And she is no other than Reina Cabalanchan. So, Reina Cabalanchan is Charisse Victoria Garcia. And to award this year's Best in Local Costume, may we have Mr. Roel Panlilio and Mr. Peter A. De Vera, together with our Municipal Mayor and Municipal Vice Mayor and the SB members of Bacolor. Once again, congratulations to all of our winners. Palakpakan tala po. Then kaya katamong winners at the same time to the other ladies. This is not yet the end of the competition because your final moment will be on the Grand Coronation Night.
Reina De Bacolor, Reina De
Balen Bacolor, we are inviting everyone to support the candidates on their final journey on February 7, 2026, Saturday at Pampanga State University's Gymnasium.
Reina De Bacolor, Reina De Bacolor, malago ka, tutong kapilas bulan.
And everything comes to an end. Again, this is PAMANA, the Reina De Bacolor 2026 Mayor's Gala, Filipinina Fashion Show, and Local Costume Competition. Have a great evening, folks, and see you on Saturday. Thank you very much, and the beautiful voice behind this evening's event is Sir C at your service. Dakalbong dakala salamat. Ingat po tayo sa pag-uwi.